First question. See diagram of a typical leaf in which of the following option all the four parts marked as A, B, C and D are correctly identified. Now this part A is lamina. Thin, flat layer or sheet of membrane or other tissue. It may be a part of a larger structure. The lamina is the expanded portion or blade of a leaf, and it is an above ground organ specialized for photosynthesis. Now this part B. This B is axillary bud. An axillary bud, the precursor of a branch or lateral shoot, is formed at the junction between a leaf and the stem. Now this part C. So this C is stipule. A stipule is an outgrowth bone on either side, sometimes just one side, of the base of leaf stalk, also called as petiole. Now this last part D. This D is a leaf base. The leaf base is the slightly expanded area where the leaf attaches to the stem. So the correct answer, looking towards the option A as lamina, we have in option B, C as well as in D. Then axillary bud, we have in option B and option D. Then C as stipule, we have in option C as well as in option D. And last D as leaf base, we have only in option D. So correct answer for this question is option D. Looking towards the next question, match the following figure with 1, 2 and 3. That is, the particular diagrams given here is either hypogeneous flower, perigynous flower and epigynous flower. So first of all, the first one, this one A, is hypogynous flower. So hypo, that means below, and gynous means gynoecium. Okay, that is, gynoecium is placed above the other three floral whorls, or that they arise from below the gynoecium. Hence, the ovary of the flower is also referred to as superior ovary. Example are the members of family Anacardiaceae, Malvaceae, etc. So, thus A figure is for hypogeneous. Now, this B is perigynous. So, perigynous flowers are the one in which gynoecium stays in the center and the other part of the flower are located on the rim of the thalamus almost at the same level. The ovary is said to be half interior and the examples are rose. Okay. Now this part C is epigynous. So C is third. Epi means above. Gynous is gynoecium. That is, gynoecium is placed below the three whorls or the other whorl arise superior to or above the ovary. Hence, the ovary of this type of flower is referred to as inferior ovary. And the examples are member of family Cucurbitaceae, Liliaceae, Asteraceae, etc. So correct answer for this question is option D, that is A1, B2 and C3. Option D. Looking towards the next question, that match the items in column 1 and column 2 and choose the correct alternative. So the roots or part of roots are specialized to serve adaptative purpose. The tuberous roots, a portion of a root swells for food or water storage. Example, sweet potato and asparagus. So for first we have 3. Then pneumatophores, that is roots arising above water, such as in some mangroves genera. Example is Heritiria. So B, it's 2. Then hostorial roots, that is roots of parasitic plant that can absorb water and nutrients from other plant. Example, mistletoe, Wiscum album and dodder. So the correct answer is 3. Okay, C, hostophore is Wiscum album. So that is 4. Then prop roots, they develop only from the nodes of an upright main stem and grow downward towards the soil and fix the plant to the ground more securely. These are aerial roots, examples screw pine, sugar cane, bamboo and corn plants. So here we have D and 5, screw pine. And assimilatory roots, modified adventitious root that become green color and perform photosynthesis, are called as assimilatory root. Example is Tinospora. So for E we have 1. Now looking towards the option for A3, we have in option B, C and D. Then B2, it's there only in option D, then C4, D5 and E1. So the correct answer for this question is option D. Looking towards the next question. Flower is complete when it has. So there are commonly 4 distinct whorls of a flower plant. An outer calyx consisting of sepals within it lies the corolla consisting of petals, the androecium or group of stamens, and in the center is the gynoecium consisting of the pistils. A flower is not complete with these 4 parts, so the correct answer is calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. So the correct answer for this question is option A. Looking towards the last question, that seed develop from. So the fertilized ovule forms seeds. The ovule increases greatly in size. The integuments dry up. So the correct answer for this question is option A, that is its ovule. Seed develop from ovule. So correct answer for this question is option A.